What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. This is a reaction sa post-game ng Gilas win over New Zealand for the first time ever in a FIBA competition, 93-89. And again I'm back with Gabe, ating New Zealand specialist, yun na yung ano natin na galing sa hand rehab. So Gabe, I just want to get your perspective first na Pilipino ka muna, no? Pilipino ka
Oo
first.
naman. Oo naman.
Ano yung mga positives na nakita mo dito sa Gilas? Na it could be the players. You could start with with Kai Soto baby, and then
Yeah,
we can work our way down. And
yeah,
then
yeah, yeah.
later on for our viewers, what things we saw that needs improvement, which meron
Mm,
naman talaga, but of course the
meron.
positives muna.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, basically, kasi ako personally seeing like Kai Soto grow up, I think growing up was the best thing
Grow
that
up.
happened to Kai Soto. Kasi he was very smart with his defensive stances. I think he was very smart with the switches. Though I will mention something about the Philippine defense
Mm-mm.
later on. Pero I think Kai Soto was such a huge part of that win yesterday. Kasi looking at his stats, ano yun, 19, 10, and 7.
19-7, 2 steals, 2 blocks.
Yeah,
Inang
yeah,
stats yan.
yeah. So Kai Soto obviously, and obviously Justin Brownlee.
Mhm.
Um, pero ako, I will mention two things na nakita ko sa Gilas that I really enjoyed. One was the lineup that actually the third quarter lineup with Scotty New, my guy Chris, Brownlee, Kai, and Junmar nung time na nung start. Naniniwala kasi ako na ang hirap na meron kang two post bigs, two back to the basket bigs na may post moves pareho. But Junmar and Kai have found a way to play together. And then obviously Justin Brownlee is like a 2K created player para sa Gilas. I think yun yung una kong napansin. Like Kai and Junmar actually know how to play with each other for each other now. Um Second thing for me is yung puso mentality, hindi nawala. Um, Alam mo naman sa Pilipinas, palagi natin sinasabi, heart over height.
Pero tama yung Gabe na talaga na puso could be the foundation, but it cannot
Oh,
be the
oh,
only thing. Yan yung
oh,
foundation nyo, yes. What is your why? Pero kung yun
oh.
lang yung meron nyo, wala kayong pupuntahan.
Yeah,
'Di
yeah.
ba?
Pero
Kung
pero
puro
pero
puso lang.
pero yun nga yung point ko eh. 'Di ba?
Oo.
Parang
We have a good foundation. We have a good
heart over
foundation.
height, good foundation. But at the same time, this Philippine team is very big. They are very tall. Isipin mo, yung small forward mo is an actual small forward.
6'8", 6'7",
Yeah,
mga
yeah.
forwards natin.
It's an actual forward, and then you have two 7 foot bigs na Junmar who still attracted double triple teams. And then Kai who was taking Wardenberg one on one from top of sa 3 point line all the way to my elbow. Kayang-kaya ni Kai yun. Easy. Tapos meron pa siya nung move na binigyan niya, pinakita niya gano'n, tapos binalik. 'Di ba? So, ako yun yung two things. I think yung bigs of the Philippines really did well. Um, Tapos a close third na i-add ko lang na naisip ko lang ngayon actually was
Go.
looking at the box score right now that's in front of me. Dwight was cold. Dwight was 3 for 12.
To his
Um,
standards. Actually, in
to
any
his
standards,
standard,
that is cold. That is cold.
the
That is cold for
three
any
three of
standards.
12. That's very cold in any standard. That's cold. CJ Perez and Calvin Oftana both 1 for 2. Chris Newsom was 4 for 9. Scotty had that amazing start, 'di ba? No, to the
Mm-mm.
game.
Agree.
Pero
Up to till the
feeling
end, Gabe. Till the end, he
oh,
was consistent. He was helping
yeah,
out.
yeah. Pero feeling ko yun nga eh. Yung the Chris Newsoms, the CJ Perez's, the
Mm-mm.
Calvin Oftanas, like pinasok sila though CJ Perez and Calvin Naftana were 1 for 2, they hit timely threes. Both of them hit very timely threes in the middle of like yung Scotty Thompson run, or in the middle of a Justin Brownlee, the Justin Brownlee show, unfortunately. Di ba? Parang
Ah,
yung players na mention ko, like Chris hit that three to put the Philippines up 7, I think, 6,
yeah.
sa may fourth quarter. Di ba? Message ko pa nga si Chris after nun, sabi ko, night night. Sabi
Guys,
ko,
context lang. Lalagyan ko ng context. Gabe was classmates with Chris Newsome nung nasa college kami. Dagdag lang rin, no,
uh,
more context. Gabe has been
mm,
living in New Zealand for 8 years. Hence why I called him the New Zealand expert, because of course he's following their team and just really loves basketball in general. So, yun yung backstory on
uh,
why
yeah,
siya
yeah,
yung
yeah,
kinukuha ko. Like, hindi na
yeah,
to out of
yeah,
nowhere na gusto ko mag-podcast.
yeah, yeah,
May context lahat.
yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
go ahead.
Tapos I think we can mention, yun nga, 'di ba, na mention mo na New Zealand. We can't, bago tayo mag-move on, alam ko dalawa lang dapat pag-uusapan natin. Pero I think yung positives for New Zealand was Corey Webster is still Corey Webster, even at his age. Sam Wardenberg, hindi ko alam kung nung kinain niya on the flight papuntang
Grabe si
Manila, pero
Wardenberg.
Sam Porzingis siya gabi, 'di ba? Parang he was take he was taking a lot of shots from the three na hindi siya kino-close out, which was interesting. Tapos Taylor Britt, Taylor Britt, who's been out of Tall Blacks for, I think it's been a year since, or two
1 year na
years.
siya nawawala. 1 year na siyang di
Oh,
kinukuha.
1 year lang wala si Taylor Britt. And then
Ah.
to show up and show out like that, to run that offense in a new system is very interesting. And
Dagdag
then
ko lang, Gabe, sa sinabi mo, no. More just to add context kay Sam Wardenberg. Hindi siya naglaro sa previous window. He didn't play
mm,
at all. So siya yung mga
yeah,
X factors natin na how does this Wardenberg guy play? 'Di ba
yeah.
sinasabi natin na mukhang Tyrell Harrison will start and then Wardenberg will be his backup, 'di ba? Pero
Pero
sinabay.
Pero laki.
Sinabay.
Again, chess match, di ba? Laki
Chess
kasi ng
match nga.
Pilipinas eh. Laki
Chess
ng
match nga.
Pilipinas eh. Kailangan nilang
Mm.
i-play yung two bigs sabay. Tapos, iuupo yung isa. Kasi, nung start, Hiram Harris was playing well um,
Si Kai
against
ba?
Brown.
Ay, kay
Against
Brownlee siya
Brownlee.
nilagay.
Yes, against
Brownlee, si
against
Hiram.
Brownlee. Tapos, ang ka-switch nyo nun si Walter Brown.
I
And then
remember.
and then obviously, like, Coach Judd decided na Walter Brown was the better one-on-one defender to contain, not even stop,
Contain
Justin
lang.
Brownlee.
Contain lang.
Contain Justin Brownlee kasi Justin Brownlee is still Justin Brownlee end of the
Mm-mm.
day. Pero yun yung positives ko for Gilas. And yun din yung positives ko for New Zealand. We shot the ball really well. New Zealand shot the ball really well. We expected them to shoot a lot of threes. We expected that full court press to cause problems early, which it did. Uh, pero yun nga, parang you can't teach height, but you can't also teach that type of heart. So props to the Philippines for finally getting a win against New
Mm-mm.
Zealand.
First time ever. And gusto ko lang balikan yung sinabi mo, Gabe, about the Kai and Junmar pairing. Dito tayo siguro magdi-disagree na you like it, right? You like it. For me,
I like it.
I like it in some spurts, but I wasn't really a fan of it. Because our best five nung nakaka-run ang Gilas was Scotty, Newsome, which we predicted na Scotty and Newsome have to stay on the floor together in order. One will be focused on trying to contain Webster, which we
Yeah,
did in the fourth quarter. I think
yeah,
napagod na rin.
yeah.
Napagod na rin
Fatigue,
si Webster.
fatigue. Init
And
din
it's
eh.
and it's Newsome following him. So imagine mo si Nunu
Yeah,
na just
yeah,
tracking him the whole time.
yeah.
Scotty with his energy. And then ito pala yung closing five, Dwight, JB, and Kai.
Mm.
So, kasi at some points natatarget na ng New Zealand si ano si JMF. I mean, midway pa lang ng first quarter, alam na nila gagawin. That's
Yeah,
international
yeah,
basketball. It doesn't take
yeah,
a team like New Zealand a half to how to
yeah,
exploit Junmar. Ano
yeah,
pa lang parang 5 minutes
yeah,
remaining, sabi ko, po, siya tira-target. Kasi
yeah,
hinahanap na siya sa mga
yeah,
switch. Sabi ko,
yeah.
putik. Inaano
Well,
si Jun. Yeah.
uh, Well, yun yung i-mention ko dun sa ano yung mga things to improve on.
Yeah, we can go there now. I mean, you mentioned the positive. I agree on your positive. May
Uh,
yung reservations
uh,
ko lang talaga sa kay JMF.
uh,
But it is nice to see. Coach Tim was using it, 'di ba? He likes it. And
uh,
he also said it in the press conference that it's a marvel to see. And
uh,
again, Coach Tim knows what he's doing. He is a head coach
mm,
for a reason. And
yeah,
but in just the plus minus numbers,
yeah,
medyo
yeah,
ano lang. It remains to be seen yet. Maybe they
mm,
haven't figured out the right lineup to pair those two with. I'm not saying na
yeah,
forever hindi na sila
yeah,
bagay. I'm just saying na maybe the players that we have right now just don't mix right now, 'di ba? Or
yeah.
baka the 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 five that was with them
Mm,
during that time just
mm.
doesn't mesh.
Got you,
So
got you,
remains to be seen.
got you. Got you. Well, I'll talk about New Zealand first dito sa points of improvement.
Points of
Um,
improvement
Points of
sorry
improvement
for New Zealand.
for the New Zealand team. One, ano yung final score?
93-89.
93-89. That's a 4-point game against a very tenured Gilas team. That's very tall, very physical. Um, I think growing pains under Coach Judd Flavel's system.
Oo.
Uh, they still played a New Zealand brand of basketball. Pace and space, tiki-taki passes, maraming Spain pick and rolls where
Dami
bigs
nga
hand
Spain
off
pick
to
and
their
rolls.
guards. Dami, sobrang dami.
Sobrang dami. Sa spam. Talaga sila spam nila eh.
Oh, lalo na for Corey Webster, di ba, nung he was shooting lights out.
First three quarters talaga. Like,
Lights out. Yeah, they
kung
were
makita nyo
shooting.
lang yung chat ko with Gabe,
Yeah.
Webstar na
Yeah.
naman!
Yeah. Webster na naman. Kaya nga sabi ko, di ba, Corey Webster, yun yung,
Kakainis.
as soon as mag-tip yung bolang yun, Corey Webster is still Corey
Nasaan si
Webster.
Webster?
Yeah. Yeah. And grabe talaga. Yun nga, I think for New Zealand, growing pains. I think though gumagana yung offense nila and yung defense nila at a certain point, I felt like nung third quarter, they were outclassed, very outmuscled, very out-hustled by
Mhm.
the bigs. Dun nagkaroon ng di ba sa chat natin, dun nagkaroon ng discrepancy sa rebounding eh. And then I'm very aware as well that Sam Menenga and Darling, both of them didn't play. Both of them were injured. So, nandito sila sa New Zealand. They're playing on Monday against Chinese Taipei. Pero yun, I think it'll take time. Growing pains ang nakita ko for New Zealand kagabi. Just playing together. Continuity, like who will take over when Webster's on the bench. Parang doon nahirapan talaga. In terms of Gilas naman, kasi obviously, Pilipino pa rin tayo at heart of hearts, Pinoy pa
Obviously.
rin. Um, Sobra silang nahirapan kay Webster dahil dun sa drop coverage nila ng pick and rolls. Drop coverage meaning, yun nga, pag si Junmar na or si Kai at the start, ang hinahanap nila sa switches, they're dropping instead of facing up. Yung guards weren't fighting over screens, and I think dun sila pinaka nahirapan kasi New Zealand was shooting lights out lalo na no start of the game. Kaya nag-build yung team. So, drop coverage. I think yung defensive schemes can still change. Agree ako sa'yo dun sa yung Junmar and Kai
Kay.
pairing. I personally like it. Pero against a team na ultimong yung center tumitira ng tres, parang ang hirap kasi na hindi then nagzo-zone lang kayo tapos nagda-drop palagi yung bigs.
Mm.
Ang hirap eh. Parang iniisip ko kagabi, shucks, paano kaya to? Ang hirap kasi nagda-drop si Junmar palagi eh.
Nag-drop nga lagi si Junmar.
Tapos yun yung nakita. So, tapos sabi nga ni Coach Tim dun sa timeout sila, syempre hindi mo narinig kasi doon ka eh. Yung,
Siyempre, sa
oh,
kabilang, katabi ko yung New Zealand
oh,
bench, yung kami
oh.
sa media. So,
Hmm,
naririnig ko yung sa New Zealand. Hindi ko
hmm.
naririnig sa Gilas.
Yung sa Gilas, sabi ni Coach Tim, I think if I remember it correctly, parang assume that anybody is going to shoot. but you cannot
Sinabi niya
assume
yun.
that anybody is gonna miss.
Galing ng... Hindi ko narinig. Siya malamang, nasa live kami, di mo maririnig
Ang
talaga
galing
yan.
nun. Ang galing nun. Sabi ko, oo nga, no? Kailangan mo nang i-assume na kasi tumitira si Wardenberg eh.
Mm.
Tumitira si Tom Vodanovic.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Lahat. Lahat tweet. Nakakatakot.
Di ba? Nakakatakot. So, I think yun yan. Defensive schemes. I think Junmar's um Junmar's gonna figure it out. Coach Tim, definitely, with that. Nakita ko yung coaching staff kagabi. Medyo wild yung coaching staff ni Coach Tim. Medyo wild yung staff niya. I think they're going to figure it out. Pero points of improvement yun. I think yun lang. Defensive schemes against five-out teams. Especially now that the game is evolving to more of an outside presence. Kailangan ganun. Tapos yun, New Zealand, growing pains. You just have to keep at it. Taking into account that it is a new team. We don't know who they're gonna field once this specific tournament is over. Next time mag-international, hindi natin alam sino maglalaro for New Zealand. I personally think Shea Ely should come back
Madami
kasi
pa. Hindi lang si Shea Ely. Sino pa ba?
si
Dami.
Ruben,
Terangi.
Terangi,
Dami.
si Jordan Ngatay. I think
Dan
Dan
Fotu. You think
Fotu.
Dan
Yeah.
Fotu still
I think
deserves?
I think I
Wetzel.
think uh, si Yannick Wetzel I think
Pwede na
was
mag-retire.
missed. No, 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 no.
Ay, di kailangan,
I,
kailangan. Kala
isa
mo,
pa. At
pwede na
least
mag-retire.
then nung mga Tom Abercrombie saka mga Rob Lowe, yun okay na ako kasi matanda na sila eh. Pero nung
Matanda.
etong si Yannick, feeling ko kaya pa eh. Kaya pa eh.
Ethan
Pero
Rusbach.
I think
Or
si
do you think it
Ethan
would clash a bit? It would clash a bit with Webster, with the Rusbach, Webster, and Ely. Or that's
I,
too
I, I think depende sa kung anong
matchup.
klaseng matchup and depende talaga sa kung ano yung gusto nilang gawing system. Um, I think New Zealand's team is very good as system players. I'm not taking away yung talent nila to be star players for their respective teams, pero alam naman natin sa international game, big names don't always win big games.
Tama. Hindi
Kailangan,
naman.
kailangan, kailangan meron ka nung mga Sergio Lul from Spain. Meron kang mga Chris Newsome who's just a
Taylor
winner.
Britt, 18 and 13. 13 assists,
Taylor,
bro.
'di ba?
Double-double, oh.
'Di ba? Taylor Britt. Yung mga ganun. Meron kang mga players na who know how to win basketball games. And I think New Zealand's gonna figure it out. Chinese Taipei on
Easy.
Monday.
Easy.
Well,
Easy.
again, they can never count anyone out at
Pero
this.
sobrang, may malaki game. Sobrang
Yeah,
tayo ng
yeah,
talent
yeah,
gap talaga.
yeah, yeah.
If New Zealand loses to Chinese Taipei, might as well, wag na kayo magpadala ever. ng ano, ng,
Sige.
kung matalo rin kami sa Hong Kong, wag niyo na kami consider for the next 3 years. Pero alam mo yung mga sure thing na
Uh,
hindi yan
uh,
matatali.
pero yun
Oh,
for me. Yun for me
kidding aside.
personally. Yun for me
Yeah,
personally.
that's just pretty much it. Just a recap of our post game ng Gilas versus New Zealand. We have a game against Hong Kong. Kayo, Chinese Taipei. So just a bit of the scenario before we close this out. No, if Gilas wins against Hong Kong, we qualify for the Asia Cup. So wala nang pabablemahin.
Mm.
But they need the help of New Zealand beating Chinese Taipei, which will happen. So parang ganun yung scenario na mangyayari on Sunday, most likely to happen. And as always, Gabe, thank you for being available today after your rehab sa
O
kamay.
naman. O naman.
It's
Thanks
nice
for
to see the
having me,
haka in the
bro.
flesh. It's my first time to see the haka in the
Oo.
flesh. I've
Oo.
never... Lagi ko lang sa nakita sa TV. So, iba yung effect sa TV. Diba? Okay, cool. Pero nung pag nandun ka, tahimik yung buong arena. And then, and then iba yung... Si Tom Vodanovic yung nag-lead ng ano, diba? Na siya yung pinakaharap. Si Vodanovic yung
Eh,
parang nag-lead ng haka eh.
yung nagle-lead ng Haka yung
Nasa
nagle-lead
gitna.
din siya. No, yung nakatayo. So si Hiram
Akala ko
Harris.
yung nasa pinakaharap. Okay, so
Hindi,
it's
hindi,
Hiram Maris. Kala ko si
hindi.
Vodanovic yung nag...
Usually yung captain ang nasa tip.
Gitna. Ah,
So,
okay.
yun. so,
Understanding ko
so
yung nasa pinaka-tip, yung yung harap na harap, hindi pala. It's the
hindi,
one
hindi,
in the
hindi.
middle.
So yung captain nyo, siya yung mag-lead nung formation. Obviously, captain eh.
Oo.
Tapos, um, yung leader nung haka, yung mismong nakatayo, siya yung nagli-lead talaga. Kasi
Solid
war
man,
cry,
solid.
di ba? War cry, parang war chant siya. So,
Tama.
modern day haka, parang mas, ano siya, um, invitation to a challenge. Ganun.
Tama naman. Yeah. Yun.
So, yun.
For great episode as always. And
Sure.
for those on Spotify, follow 5-star rating on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you sa last episode guys, 14K nanood, solid. Tapos sa Spotify 500 downloads. Good shit.
Di,
Good shit.
di natin in-expect yun. Ako, nakikipagkwentuhan lang ako.
Guess ko lang 3K, 4K kasi hindi naman Hinebra. Usually Hinebra yung madaming views, 'di ba? Kasi it's
Uh,
Hinebra. It's our Lakers, but iba I forgot na iba pa rin hatak talaga ng Gilas.
yeah. Pagbansa talaga. Like,
Iba yung hatak, iba yung
iba talaga.
mga
Iba
tao.
talaga.
Kahit
Yeah. Yeah.
anyway, yun lang naman guys. Thank you and
Okay, salamat,
peace.
salamat.